Understanding Bosch Dishwasher Code E01. If your Bosch dishwasher displays the code E01, it indicates a fault in the heat pump motor circuit at the main control board. Common causes: faulty heat pump motor circuit. The heat pump is responsible for heating the water. A malfunction here can disrupt the entire washing cycle. Control board issues. Problems with the main control board can prevent the heat pump from receiving power, leading to the E01 error. Troubleshooting steps: reset the dishwasher, turn off the dishwasher, and unplug it from the power source. Wait for about 5 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on to see if the error clears. Inspect the control board. If resetting doesn't help, the issue might be with the control board. Look for visible signs of damage or burnt components. Check the heat pump. Ensure the heat pump is functioning correctly. If you're not comfortable doing this, consider seeking professional assistance. When to call a professional. If the above steps don't resolve the issue, it's advisable to contact Bosch Customer Support at 1-800-944-2904 or consult a certified technician. Cost implications: control board replacement. Depending on your location and model, replacing the control board can cost between $150 to $300. Professional service fees. Labor charges may range from $100 to $200. Conclusion: the Bosch dishwasher code E01 is a clear indicator of a problem with the heat pump motor circuit. While some basic troubleshooting can be done at home, don't hesitate to seek professional help to ensure your dishwasher returns to optimal performance.